In this lecture, you are going to learn how to optimize your YouTube video. You can upload your video by clicking this video camera icon over here. There are three options over here: upload a video, go live, or create a post. What we want to do is to upload a video. You can drag and drop your video to here or upload your video over here. Over here, there are three parts that are very important that you need to do in order to optimize your video: the title, description, and also tag. YouTube video ranking is pretty similar with website ranking. So think of it: video, title, description, and tags. These are the core ranking factors. So keyword insertions is very important in all these three elements. So similar to a website, you want to optimize that title. By doing this, you will place primary keywords or highly searched keywords at the beginning of that video title. Next, you want to type at least 2 to 3 sentence descriptions. Again, with 3 to 5 keywords in it that you want to rank for, and make sure to always include a link to your website, to another social media channel, to your affiliate products, or to your email subscriptions sites. It is great to interconnect all the social media networks on your website. So by including a link in your description, this is a great area for a backlink to another one of your channel. So over here, you get to see things that others people cannot see because you have installed YouTube Buddy. So for example, tags, and then upload checklist, and also some of the functions by YouTube Buddy. So just for example, title. This is a videos is for fishing. So how to fish. So what YouTube Buddy does is that it will automatically recommend some of the tags that is highly demand in YouTube. So for example, fishing for beginners. So those are the tags that you can use. Second thing, just click over here, Keyword Explorer. From here, YouTube Buddy also able to recommend what sort of keywords that are very high demand in YouTube. So for example, how to fish. So it also recommend how is this keywords. Is it a very competitive keywords, or is it a good keywords to rank for? How to fish. And it also shows you what sort of keywords, long tail keywords that people are actually looking for in YouTube. So in your descriptions box or on your title, those are the good keywords that you can include into. And then what sort of video topics? How to catch fish. So this is just how people type in. So you will find something very interesting, as people sometimes they just do not type or just do not write the normal way, like how to make fish, but they will type how to make fish. Another things that YouTube Buddy will provide is to help you to have a checklist with tasks to complete during the upload and also to publish process. So for example, let's click on this arrow if. So what it does is that it have a checklist for you, like what sort of things that you should put on your title, on your descriptions, and also for your tags. So for example, write a search-friendly or catchy compelling title. Plan your title with the YouTube user experience in mind. Make it clear what the video is about and click worthy. So leave with the most important blah blah blah. So those are things that you need to consider when you are writing your title and also a description. So you can actually print out this checklist so that you can tick when you are done with each sections. So you also can check out Amy. Let's see what her opinion is about, or what is her suggestions. You still ready to evaluate the best keywords to focus on a title. Make sure all of your title, description, and text are prepared in advance. So different YouTuber has different type of opinions, advice for you. So it's best that you can get at least a good 2 to 3 advice and make sure that you follow their advice when you are writing your title, descriptions, and also your text. So when you are done, just click on publish and you are done.